Little Smart Kids. Today, Handy Andy is going to receive his broken Land Rover that was stolen before from his garage. Police managed to find it very fast, but unfortunately the car was a bit damaged. It needs good fixing now. Handy Andy is doing it right now.
Hello, my friends. Evacuator delivered my broken car at last. I couldn't wait. Do you remember what happened with it? Remember how it was stolen from my garage at night? Remember how fast police managed to catch the burglars? What a chase it was, on the road and in the air. To stop burglars, police had to block the road, and my car was hit hard and damaged. Probably the engine was broken. Oh no, dings and scratches are everywhere. On the door. The rear wing was bent. Oh. The wheels are also in the wrong position. Probably the absorbers were broken. Alright, let's fix it. Here are my tools. They will be very helpful. So, let's do it. So, first we need to lift up my car and take all the damaged parts out. The side view mirror is cracked very badly. The front right fender, oh my gosh, goes to the landfill. Doors can also go there. The rear wing were also taken out. All wheels need to be changed too. Okay, what else? The hood was bent a lot. And the front light is broken. Both bumpers were gonna have to change. The taillight is going in the garbage. Look what we have now, only a metal frame. Now we are going to treat my car, better to say, renew. Let's start. New shiny bumpers. They go where they belong. The rear wing. Here we go. The front fender. Wow, looks like it was there. Now doors. Can't be without them. Also, I bought new lights. Great. Now, let's install the hood and wheels. Here we go. Ready. Wow, it looks like new. Well done. We fixed the car from the outside. You can't even say that this car was damaged at all. Seems like we've just bought a brand new car. All the parts fit in perfectly. Now let's see what's under the hood. We'll need to change the radiator. It is needed to cool the engine. Here's the new one. Let's install it. And of course the accumulator. Can't work without that. I also wanted to change the spark plugs. Here they are. Alright, we have done all the fixing. All damaged parts were changed. Now I can drive with no problem. I'm going to do it. I missed my Land Rover. See you soon, my friends. Bye-bye. If you don't want to miss any new cartoons, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can click on the word like.